We are in the Celebes Sea. In these crystalline waters lie the islands of Sangihe, North Sulawesi. We're at the end of the famous Ring of Fire, a chain of volcanic islands which start in the Indian Pacific and cross all of Indonesia. There are very few known undersea volcanoes compared to those we know of on land. 1,500 volcanoes on land have been documented over time, while many scientists believe that under the sea there could be hundreds of thousands. In the last century, some 200 undersea volcanoes have been discovered, and barely 2 decades of knowledge of the phenomenon of hydrothermal currents and fumaroles have made way for a new era of exhaustive discovery and knowledge of the oceans and its depths. A world of which we know very little and develop a large number of hypotheses, as are those that presume that the undersea volcanoes are the origins of life on planet Earth. We're diving with a team of Deep Blue Video on one of the active volcanoes in Indonesia, the Banua Wuhu, close to the island of Manengetang. In 1835, its peaks formed an island some 90 meters above sea level. But successive eruptions and seismic movements, the last in 1935, ended up sinking the volcano back into the sea. Now, the crater is 5 meters underwater, and its sides descend a further 400 meters down into the deep.